Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys how to make a present for a makeup lover. So my bestie and I have the same birthday, same day, same year, same month, same everything. And we always give each other presents. Last year when we met, we made this beautiful big gift basket because we are drawn to things and we know each of us are gonna love those things, so we just always make a basket for each other. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put together a present for a makeup lover for whatever occasion. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I went ahead and so these are some of the items. I don't know if you watched my haul, but these are some of the items that I got. You don't have to do this, but I always like to just remove the price. I know it's not a big deal, but it's just something I always do. So I just went ahead and just cut where the little sticker is. I rather just cut the piece versus trying to peel off the sticker. So these are really cute. A makeup lover will love little items for their hair. So I got these little chains for her hair, and this is kind of like a leathery rhinestoned piece that I know she will love. Other than that, I ended up getting this little bag. It's a little makeup bag. It was on clearance, so I just did the same. I cut the price, and I'm gonna actually put everything in here and just leave it open. So I ended up getting this piece from one of my Sephora bags. I always like how this looks, so I'm just gonna stick it in here. So I'm just going to leave a little pocket in here for the rest of her things. So I also got her one of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes. I know my bestie is going to love this because I do. And I also got her this highlight in Bathe from the I Love Sarai collection in Dose of Colors. These are amazing and I know she's going to love it. So that's going in the bag. I got her the Morphe sponge because it's amazing. So I've heard. And I'm just gonna leave everything sticking out like that because I think it's super cute. And then I'm just going to just kind of stick these in here like so. So I also have these little masks that I always pick up. I'm a fan of masks, and who does not love masks, right? So I'm just gonna put these next to her present, and oh, how did that get in there? This one too. So I'm just gonna put these beside the present, and I actually, let me see. I'm gonna put this here, and oh, I'm trying to hurry up because I know she's on her way. And I got this little thing from, it was just blinking a minute ago. Oh, here you are. From the store. I know she's on her way, so I'm just gonna put that in there. And I got her some of my masks that I love. So I'm just going to fan these out. I'm extra, you guys, with everything that I do. Let's put this on this side. So this is a really beautiful way to make a beautiful present, very inexpensive. And I got her this beautiful chic card. She is a makeup artist and she's a glam doll, so I know she's gonna love this present. Put this little sticker ribbon right, I'm gonna do it up here, right there. And that is her present, guys. So here is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys liked it. All you need is a little creativity and some love for your bestie like I do. And thank you guys so much for watching. Here is my bestie. I will see her soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my bathroom. And until next time, you guys.